Hi friends, Miss Arwood. Oh, I'm so glad you came today because today we get to play a little game. Are you ready? Well, our learning goal says, I can read using the single double consonant rule. Well, that is a mouthful. Single double consonant. The best thing that we can do when we see something big and new is to break it down to try to figure out some understanding. So let's see what we know. Well, I know the word single means just one. So single means just one. The next word I see is a double. And I know that double means two. So if there's one of something versus when there's two of something, if there's a single something versus a double something, I think that's going to be part of our rule. And right here is the answer, the consonant. So consonants are all the letters that are not vowels. So in the single double consonant rule, we're going to look at all of the consonants that follow the vowel, and that's going to help us tell what sound the vowel is going to make. So the single double consonant rule says, the sound of the vowel depends on how many consonants follow it. A single consonant, or one, means the vowel will be long. So if I look at this word and I see there's just one single consonant after the vowel, I know the vowel is going to make the long sound. And what's O's long sound? Yeah, O. Good job. So this word would be hoped. Wonderful. Now watch what happens when we make it a double consonant. A double consonant means the vowel will be short. So right here, I see a double consonant right after the vowel. Now, it doesn't always have to be the same consonant, but if there are two consonants, they can be different. This one just happens to have two P's. So if I see a double consonant, that means the vowel is going to be short. So what is O's short sound? Perfect. It's ah. So this word is opt. Yes, hopped versus hoped. See how that vowel being followed by either a single or double consonant makes a difference? Okay, so that's what we're going to practice today. Remember, if it's a single consonant, it's long. If it's a double consonant, it's short. Now today, I'm going to give you a sentence. And you need to figure out, friend, which word best fills in our blank. Okay, so get your reading finger ready. Let's read this sentence. Would you like to come over blank to play a game? Now, I see two words. I see a word right here and a word right here. You need to go ahead and press pause, figure out which word is going to fill in that blank, and then press play to check yourself. Remember, if there's a single consonant filling the vowel, it's going to make the long sound. If there's a double consonant, it's going to make the short sound. All right, press pause and figure out which one it is. Did you figure it out? Okay, I want you to point to the word that you think fixes the sentence and fills it in. Did you say this one? Yeah. Would you like to come over later to play a game? Excellent job. If I said, would you like to come over later to play the game? I don't think that's going to work out. Awesome. You're really good. All right, let's try another one. Ooh, my favorite animal is an blank. What's yours? Okay. Figure out which of the two words at the bottom is the word that matches the picture right there. Press pause while you figure it out and sound out the words. Press play when you're ready. Okay, well, first of all, isn't that the cutest otter you have ever seen? Oh my goodness. Otters are actually my favorite animal. So let's see if you found the right word. Get that reading finger and point to the word otter. Yes! Did you point to this one? Oh, good job. My favorite animal is an otter. Good thing my favorite animal is an odor. That sounds kind of stinky to me. Okay, friend, what's your favorite animal? Oh, our animal's the best. Oh, I love it. All right, let's try another one. I went blank after school, and now I need a break. Okay, so what is our friend doing? Go ahead and press pause. Figure out which word we want to add in there. Make sure you use the good sounds. Use that single double consonant rule to figure out which one we're going to need to look for. Press pause while you're working and press play when you're ready to check yourself. Okay, well, I hope by now you figured out our friend is running. So which word at the bottom, go ahead and point to it and see if you're right, is the word running. Yes, good job. I went running after school, And now I need a break. Samesies. All right, so we have running over here. Good job. What would this be? Ruining. No, ruining does not sound like fun. Wow, you are doing such a great job. Okay, this is a tricky one. It says, I cannot decide which animal is... Okay, which word fills in that blank? Go ahead and press pause and press play when you're ready to check yourself. Okay, did you figure it out? Okay, I cannot decide which animal is. Point to the word you think fills in the blank. Yes, cuter. I cannot decide which animal is cuter. I mean, I cannot decide. But this word doesn't make sense because it would say, I cannot decide which animal is cutter. No, that doesn't make any sense. Good thing you found the right word, cuter. Which one do you think is cuter? Yeah, I can't tell. I think it's a tie. All right, our single double consonant rule says the sound of the vowel depends on how many consonants follow it. And just like when we were practicing, when we were filling in the blank, sometimes you need to flip that vowel sound. And if you forget the rule or you don't quite remember, try the different sounds, long or short, and see which one makes sense. But if you remember the rule, if there's a single one and it makes it long, then that's really helpful to know, and it can help you figure out the word a little bit faster. Remember, if it's a double consonant, it means the vowel's going to be short. All right, our learning goal said, I can read using the single double consonant rule. And you did that beautifully today, friend. And the great thing about playing that game is you got to practice hearing how different words sound depending on how you change the vowel. And who knew the consonants were going to be so important in that? All right, happy reading, friends. Good luck.